Maukarwat's PHL Group Entertainment had released a new music video entitled Jingkular or Promise, directed by Lamborwell Malngyang and starring Bandonlang Lingdo as main actor and Ibansabet Marwen as lead actress. The music video is based on a tragic love story. The video was released by village elder Medal Singh Lingdo at the Nativity Hall Maukarwat in the presence of Bantebor Lingdo, Bakhan Nyongsit and other members of the PHL group besides others. PHL Entertainment has also announced the official release of the music video through the group's YouTube channel at 6 p.m. on the 16th of October 2021.
Ngani idor kadla bati hakiluk lu benta kad ba ngala mandon kopor ini inu kerja berit mengelak kali don betauti ngani don lang berkat hakiluk lu benta bar tingai kublai ru yepi ya keba pilai ya kani kalat don lang berti
Paris.